Did you know that 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine? This highlights the importance of search engine optimization, or SEO. If you're a beginner, don't worry. This guide simplifies SEO and helps you rank your website in just 7 days. First, understanding SEO is essential. SEO improves website visibility and traffic by optimizing how search engines index your content. Search engines like Google crawl the web, indexing sites based on quality and relevance. This process is fundamental for attracting organic traffic. To get started, you need essential SEO tools. Begin with free tools like Google Keyword Planner for keyword research. Google Search Console offers insights into search performance. Setting these two tools up is straightforward and crucial for success. Day 1 focuses on keyword research. Identify niche keywords that relate directly to your business. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords. Understanding user search intent improves your content's relevance. On day 2, we'll cover on-page SEO. Crafting effective title tags and meta descriptions can significantly enhance your rankings. Create SEO-friendly URLs and maintain a proper heading hierarchy to improve readability. Day 3 is all about content creation. Your content should resonate with both users and search engines. Create high-quality, keyword-rich content that addresses user needs effectively. Don't forget to optimize images and multimedia elements for better SEO. On day 4, let's dive into technical SEO. This includes improving loading speed, ensuring mobile optimization, and creating sitemaps. A faster website provides a better user experience and positively influences search rankings. Day 5's focus is link building, which adds credibility to your site. High-quality backlinks are essential for boosting your website's visibility. To earn quality backlinks, create shareable content and consider guest blogging opportunities. Day 6 emphasizes local SEO, crucial for businesses with physical locations. Optimize your Google My Business listing and target local keywords to attract nearby customers. Local citations and positive reviews can enhance your credibility. Finally, on day 7, we will track and measure the success of your SEO strategies. Monitor key performance metrics like organic traffic, keyword rankings, and conversion rates. Use this data to refine your SEO approach continuously. In conclusion, SEO is a journey. By applying these strategies, you'll improve your website's search rankings. Continue educating yourself to adapt to the evolving SEO landscape. Remember, patience and persistence are vital as you implement these strategies. Start your SEO journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and resources to elevate your online presence. To learn more, visit https://smartlivingjournal.com/SEO for absolute beginners. Rank your website in 7 days, step by step. Thanks for watching the video.